Beautifully upgraded second floor condo, with a lovely lake view and the Strand golf course. Redone in cool gray with quartz countertops and luxury vinyl flooring. This 2-bed, 2-bath condo, with vaulted ceiling, is spacious and thoughtfully decorated. It offers split bedrooms and laundry inside the unit. The huge kitchen has plenty of room to cook to your heart's content. Social membership is mandatory so you can experience the fabulous amenities: an Olympic-sized pool, spa, a brand new state-of-the-art fitness center, a full-service spa, tennis, basketball, bocce ball, pickleball, and a restaurant.